how to show products from the current category and its children on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. First, open your browser and then click settings, and now scroll down until you find display, and now scroll down until you find category settings, and here we'll find this one, show products from the current category and its children. Click on it and click save. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.